Hello, everybody, and welcome to IC Markets Market Commentary. My name is Tamar Mehr from Trade with Precision, and today I want to do a spotlight on the Japanese yen, and I want to start with CAD yen. Now, CAD yen, this is the daily chart. We can see we are back into an uptrend, so we've got a higher highs here and a higher low. I also drew the Fibonacci retracement of this latest move, and we can see that the 50% retracement is clustering with the previous swing high, which is in and around the 101.2, and this is quite a crucial level on this market. So let's zoom out and see how many touches we had around that area. Now, they're not precise, but it's in and around this area. We can see that consolidation underneath this level before we push to another lower low. Another attempt at this level and move lower again to a lower low, trying to break through it, pulling back, this time making a higher low, moving higher, and finally breaking above that level. So quite an important level on this market, and what I'm looking for is simply a pullback to test this level from above and any signs that the buyers are coming back into the market after this pullback for a continuation of this move. If we'll take a quick look at the monthly chart, we can see that the monthly chart is still in an uptrend, and all this move to the downside, we're simply pulling back into the buy zone, that area between the 10 and the 20 moving averages. So this is CAD yen. The next one is pound yen, a little bit different. So let's start here with the daily chart. And we can see here from the daily chart, we actually are not in an uptrend because this low went slightly lower than the previous one. But what we can see the market has done was basically testing this level around the 167. You can see it was the previous swing high, a couple of touches on the way until we broke above it, tested it, pushed higher but not as high, tested it again, and then moved to a higher high. Now, what I do like about this scenario is that the market just pinged this previous swing high. So while there's no uptrend over here, I like the fact that we went slightly higher than the previous high. So again, I'm looking for a bit of pullback, really some of this buying pressure and a continuation of this move. However, on this market, we need to note that if we'll take a look at where we're at, we're actually sitting quite high up, and we can see that this could potentially turn into our resistance level. So I wouldn't mind if we get a more pullback, so a deeper pullback in the contents of the daily and simple pullback in the contents of the weekly into the averages. If we'll take a look here on the monthly chart, we can see that the monthly chart is in an uptrend, but it is overextended, meaning that there's still distance between where price action sits right now and the moving averages, but I'm keeping a close eye on pound yen. The next one is Kiwi yen. Now, Kiwi yen, we do have an uptrend here on the daily chart, and I'm looking for a pullback in and around the previous swing high. I wouldn't mind a little bit more of a pullback in and around the 85.30 to 85.40 area, but here again, any kind of signs that the pullback is over and the buyers are coming back into the market, it will be something that I'll be very interested in. However, if we'll take a look here on the higher time frame on a Kiwi yen, we can see that it's a little bit more of a mess. Yes, we do have an uptrend here on the weekly chart, but we are again overextended. So we could even see a pullback all the way down to the 85, so also a round number and a previous level of support and resistance. Taking a look here on the monthly, we can see that sideways that we've been through in the last couple of months. So no clear trend on Kiwi yen on the monthly chart. Lastly it's dollar yen, and it's still the same level of 138. So I'll go quickly through that market. So I've got a couple of touches around that level, and it's quite nice and it's quite precise. And as we can see, the market tried to break above it. We should go into the daily chart. We'll see that a bit more clearer. So we can see the market broke above it, closed above it, but couldn't hold above it. So I'm looking again for a bit more of a pullback. This was a fast and strong move, and potentially another attack at that level from below. However, if the market decides to continue higher from here, then I'll be looking for continuation of this overall trend. Happy trading, everyone. Bye for now.